Alright guys, so Yeeps just added a mini update where there's a chainsaw, and today I'm gonna be buying it or checking the new update out. Destruction site is not in the community world anymore and they're officially released. Let's go check it out. Everybody. Right, here it is. Oh, hey Buckhorn.
Yo, I've seen this. This is so cool. Everybody.
It's not new.
No, I haven't.
Where do we buy it? Where do we buy it?
It's old.
Community world.
Yeah. This used to be a. It's old. This used to be.
Oh, it's got a little bit of edits.
Everybody.
Let's check it out. I'm just cost. I still cost anything. 1,000.
Thank you.
Oh.
Here.
Oh.
Oh, chainsaw?
800. Okay.
800? Are you kidding me? That's way too much.
It's affordable for me.
Well, good for you, pal.
Okay.
300?
How do I use this? Wait, yo, this is useful. Wait.
Wow, that's amazing.
Oh my goodness, Griefer's best item, man.
Can I have a chainsaw? Can I have it?
I don't own them. I'm giving it to Froggy.
Who owns the
Can I have a
chainsaw?
chainsaw?
Froggy Man. You can have
Four.
Yeah! Oh my god, I'm gonna. Yeah!
Someone's gonna die.
Alright, continuing my madness.
I've been waiting.
Yeah! Oh my god! Yeah! Yeah!
Where do you buy it?
Boom! Boom!
Where do you buy it? Dude, where do you buy the chainsaw?
Outpost! Well, that's it for the video. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!